how to change the dimensions of any project in Canva. Let's get into it. Jumping straight into Canva here, we have our project here that we want to resize. Now Canva has this really cool tool built in called Resize and Magic Switch. All we need to do is click on this button and it's going to give us a bunch of different options that we can resize our image for. Let's say, for example, I want to turn this square image into a 1080 by 1920 story. All we need to do is select this and choose continue. Canva's going to work some magic and give us a nice little preview of what our project will look like, and then all we have to do is choose copy and resize. Once that's finished, we can then open our new resize project and we can go ahead and customize this further if we want to, or we can save it for use on our social media. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.